Hello guys and welcome back. So for today I have a short video about a mirror. It's a bathroom mirror and we are going to install it. Let's see how quick and easy it's going to be. We have our mirror here. So let's just open it and see how it's going to go. Okay, so here we have our holes that we need to transfer to the wall. So let's just measure and do that. First of all, we just need to find out how big it is and find the center of our wall, and after that drill the holes and install it. Okay, so let's find the center. So it's 120 center, and that means 60. And that is going to be my center. Okay, so now we have to find out how big is the mirror. So it's 78 centimeters, that means 39 centimeters, 390 mil. Oh, 39. That's one. So here it's where our mirror is going to go. Okay, so we found out the middle and the finish of the mirror. So the end is going to be around there and around here. Now what we need to find out next is the measure of the actual screw that is going to come here. So we have to measure this and the entire height of the mirror to see what is going to be on the wall, what height. We just need to find out exactly the height that is going to be on the wall. So there are two ways to find out. One is to measure 58, and the other one is going to be just by putting the mirror up. Like that. Okay, so now I'm just going to sign on the top. And now I know that that is the maximum height that the mirror is going to be. We can even go a little bit higher. It doesn't need to sit on the actual splash pad. So right now I just need to measure the height of the screw, and the height of the screw is going to be right about 6 centimeters. So that is 60 mil. So that is the height, and that is going to be my screw, and I'm going to put it at 5.5, 5.50, and I'm going to give a small gap to the wall from the actual splash pad. Now we just have to find out the center of the screw, and here is going to be right around 1 centimeter. And we just have to drill exactly so. Now that we know where exactly our screw is going to go, we just need to drill, put and insert some raw plugs, and then just see if the mirror is going to go in place. Okay, so we are ready to drill. Just need to insert some raw plugs. So we just inserted the raw plugs, and I'm just going to screw a couple of screws. Not all the way, because it will have to go inside the mirror holes. And now I just need to check to see if everything is okay. And everything is nice, everything is going fine till at this moment. Now we just have to do all the connections to the actual wires, because this mirror has some lights actually on the top. Now let's just do the connections. Now I have some connectors here, so I'm just going to connect the wires from the mirror to the mains. Okay, so next step, I'm just going to put some isolation tape. Now in this case, either you use some insulation tape or a junction box. I don't have space for a junction box to go at the back of this mirror, so that's why I'm just going to use this insulation tape. So I'm just going to put it up, and let's see if everything is going to work fine. Okay, so it seems that everything is working fine. Okay, so we just finished to install this mirror. We have a sensor light here also. So our light is working fine. Then we have the time, which you cannot see it very well with this camera. At the moment everything is done, so you saw it's not that difficult to do. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, if I can do it, you can. Thank you, and see you on the next one. Bye.